Welcome to Expertisium Supply Chain Knowledge Sharing session. In this session, let us see a corporate strategy statement which is known as mission statement. So, what makes a good mission statement? It is a succinct statement that captures your company's purpose, a catchy slogan, or something more. The best mission statements leave a lasting impression of your brand in the minds of your customers, encouraging them to choose you over some other vendors. A quality mission statement incorporates your company core values and reflects your organization's personality. What exactly is a mission statement? A mission statement is defined as an action-based statement that declares the purpose of an organization and how they will serve their customer. This sometimes includes the description of the company, what it does, and its objectives. A mission statement provides perfect clarity behind the what, the who, and why of your organization. The best mission statement are the guidelines by which a company operates. Everything you do as a company should work towards your mission statement. Most mission statements are between 1 and 3 sentences, never exceeding 100 words. The best mission statement are typically a single statement, so keep this in mind when crafting your organization statement. Your company's mission statement should be communicated to employees before their first day on the job. It should be highlighted on all your recruiting and onboarding material, and employees should know it by heart. After all, this is a mission your employees should be aligned with every day. Otherwise, they will come into work feeling aimless and struggling to understand their purpose. Thanks for watching. Bye.